friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a lover of all things beauty, and here on my channel I talk about a variety of different things, mostly related to makeup, skincare, mid-size fashion, nails, and I'm really excited today because I'm going to be coming at you with a Battle of the Mascara series. So I did this a while ago where I would showcase a mascara because I was on like the lookout for the perfect mascara, and I have so many in my collection. And when I was going through kind of organizing my makeup, I was like, it is time to restart the series because I have so many in my collection. So first of hopefully many, but today we're going to be talking about the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt. So as you can see, I only have one eye done. I wanted to show you how magnificent this mascara is. I kind of grabbed it from my thing. I had not heard, honestly, anybody really talk about this. I'm not big into YouTube, like watching videos anymore. I used to be like super into first impressions and all that stuff. And basically, like I feel a little bit out of touch. So this might be a mascara that people have talked about. Maybe it was popular. I don't know how long it's been on the market, but I had purchased it, picked it up, and finally was able to try it. And I am absolutely in love with it. So a couple things about this mascara. It does retail for $26 at Sephora. They do have the mini version for $14. So if you are kind of like me and don't necessarily want to commit to like the full size 26, you can definitely pick up the mini size and give it a try and save a little bit of money there. But honestly and truly, this is probably the best mascara that I've ever tried. I know that sounds dramatic, but the reason why I love it is when I first saw it, I don't know what gravitated me towards it. I can't even remember when I actually purchased it, but it is a lengthening and a volumizing mascara. And I have tried many lengthening and volumizing mascaras, and they never hold up to the hype. They are either still very lengthening and don't really clump up enough to volumize, or they flake, or they are spidery thin. They just never do both of them. And this is probably the only mascara that I have found that says that it does both, and it actually does both without any flaking, without any smudging. It lasts all day. It does not clump up. It combs out your lashes and enables you to build them up in a very sophisticated way. That's probably not the right word, but it doesn't get clumpy, like super thick and nasty clumpy. It just clumps up perfectly. I love it. The other thing that I love about it is the wand. So the wand is nothing special. It is a normal lengthening wand. And I actually like these wands better because they're kind of tapered at the end, and it makes it a lot easier to get into here. I also like it because it's thinner. A lot of times with the volumizing mascaras, like this is my favorite volumizing mascara. This is by City Beauty, Beyond Mascara. You can see here the difference between the two wands. The Beyond mascara is bigger, it's thicker, and it's just a little bit harder to get into the little nooks and crannies in the outside, and especially doing the bottom lashes. This wand right here, the Anastasia one, is absolutely perfect. So I'm not usually, when I do a lengthening mascara or one that says lengthening and volumizing, it will have a lengthening wand, but the formulation just doesn't clump up. This does both of it. So I love that. Like I said, no flaking, no smudging. It only comes in black so for those of you who like brown, I apologize, but this is the only color that they have. But it is absolutely magical. The other thing that I like about it is usually when I try out mascaras, I'll try it out 2 different days using 2 different methods. And the first method that I will use is I will just lightly coat it, and then I will let it sit for a little bit, and then I'll come in and kind of build it up. There are some formulations that require you to do that. So anytime you're trying a mascara, I would recommend you do these 2 different techniques because the formulation might depend on which technique it works better for. So you go in, you kind of build it up or whatever. The other technique is you don't let it dry in between coats, and you just sit here and you continue to work it in to your lashes until you get to the length and the intensity and the volumization. I don't even know if that's a word, but where you want your lashes to be. Now my lashes are just shorter on this end because I did DIY lashes and I ripped them off. Do not do that. So I am slowly trying to work them back in, but you can see here how easily this wand gets into the little crevices, which for a normal volumizing mascara wand, you're not going to be able to do that. So I'm able to get in, and what I like about this formalization, now I'm really making up words. What I like about this formula is you can do either one of the techniques and it's fine. You can see here, I'm sitting here just kind of building up my lashes. It's not clumping. It's still doing a really, really good job of separating them and making sure that they are individualized. I don't know. But it's not clumping up, but they are clumping up individually, which is what I want. I don't want like gloppy lashes. I want thick lashes. I want you to be able to see my lashes because my lashes are translucent. So they literally have like, they're like fishing line wire. You can't see them. So I like to build them up and get then that intensity. And you can see here, it builds it up really, really well. I mean, how many coats did I put on it? And it's not clumping up at all. And it's doing a really good job of separating them. Hands down the best mascara. I don't know what else to say other than it's fabulous. I'm disappointed because I wish I would have tried this later in my series. Let me show you guys. Like this is, yeah, I have a problem. So these are all the ones that I'm going to be testing out, and I'm really disappointed because I wish this one would have been later in the series because I absolutely love this. There's literally nothing. There's no cons. I give it a 10 out of 10. If you're looking for great volumizing and lengthening mascara that doesn't smudge, doesn't flake, it's a little pricey. That's probably the only con about it. It's $26. It's not a drugstore, but I absolutely love it, and it is probably my favorite mascara. So that is it. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Please leave your comments below if you've ever tried this mascara before. Please let other viewers know. This is just my opinion. This is just my personal experience. So if you have something different or you agree or disagree, whatever it is, please leave your comments below. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Until next time, bye.